6 days go. 5 days to go. 4 days to go. 3 days to go. 2 days to go. 1 day to go. Let's go.
Our situation, guys. Situation. Wait, I need to push this, guys. Alright, guys. Dito na kami sa airport, pero sobrang aga namin. Maybe we'll just go to the Ying Skyle and buy our stuff.
Do that. Or just chill for a bit.
Yeah. Dito na kami, guys, sa airport. It's not even 5 o'clock. Yung flight namin is 9:10 a.m. So I just want to go inside because I'm hungry. And the kids are getting hungry too.
Oh, hungry.
Huh?
Hungry.
You're hungry? Eh, dami-daming bag, guys. Lahat na nagkasalubong natin. Big trip. Yeah. Ito kami sa airport. Oh my God, guys.
What stress? No, it's only 6 o'clock.
I broke my luggage cover. Kasi guys, overweight kami. Overweight. As in, 5 kilograms hindi kami pinalagpas.
Overpacker.
We're overpacker. I am overpacker. So, yung tatlo naming luggage, nakapasok na. Yung isang luggage na iwan. So, hinalungkat namin lahat kasi kailangan namin magbawas ng 5 kilograms. And then yung cover ng luggage, nasira. Natanggal yung zipper. So, tinapon ko na. Tinapon ko na yung cover. Bibili na lang ako sa Manila. Yeah, so we're going to the Philippines, guys. And it's very stressful kasi ang dami naming dala. And then si Elijah, nagwawala na kasi naantok. He's asleep, guys. And Ate is very tired and hungry. It is 6:51. Ang lipad namin is 9:10. So we still have like 1.5 hours to spend. And then we need to go to the international gate. Kain muna kami, guys, kasi nagugutom na yung anak ko. And then si Elijah. Where's the McDonald's? It's on the other side, isn't it? We're just having breakfast, guys. The kids want pancake and hash brown. And si Elijah naka-croissant. And then coffee. Grabe, guys. Nakaka-stress. Anyway, so dito pa kami sa domestic. So bababa kami sa international. Yung flight namin is in 2 hours. So mga 7:30 bababa na kami. Kasi dadaan na naman kami sa international screening. Basta kami, guys, ng immigration. Palabas kami ng duty free. Nakaka-stress. Grabe, nakalimutan na namin mag-fly ng international. Kailangan namin ilabas lahat ng liquids namin. Buti na lang hindi masyadong busy kasi nilabas namin lahat kasi nakahiwa-hiwalay sila na na luggage kasi nga 'di ba nagbawas kami. Hiwa-hiwalay sila.
They were really
What
is it called? They were really
very scary.
Strict
On our they were like screaming. No phone. Sir, no phone.
Like, sir, it's not gonna move by itself.
Dito kasi, guys, sa Adelaide, 2 screening. Actually, lahat ata ng Australian airport. Dalawang screening. Meron ng screening papunta sa domestic, tsaka merong screening sa international. Yung domestic, sobrang ano nila, sobrang bait. Na sobrang kalmado lang sila. The one in the domestic, they're very kind. Like, you know, they're very calm. International, they're very scary.
Put it in here.
Yeah.
Okay, we're past here.
Yeah, tell them.
And mommy got beat because she had her watch.
I know, got my watch.
And this, but she said she can't take it up.
Yeah. Isa na initan. We're here at the boarding gate, guys. Delayed sila. Dapat 8:10 yung ano, yung boarding time. Ano na 8? Anong oras na? 8:25. 8:40 daw yung boarding.
I can't wait.
What is it?
Look, I do what?
First toy for today. Dito na kami, guys. Yan nakikita. Sabi ko, so, about the results na tayo, guys. Say hi.
Hi.
Ladies and gentlemen, the seatbelt sign is now off. For your safety, always keep your seatbelts fastened while seated. With the
That is playing Uno.
Hong Kong. What's his name again?
That's Lala. What are you playing?
This is not Lana.
Kiki. What are you playing? What's that thing that you're playing? That one. You don't want to play this anymore. Look guys, ayaw niya ng laruin. Play na natin maingay.
Hong Kong.
How are you going? Singapore na guys. We're just gonna land now. Sa Gardo Persosa, wala akong tulog guys. Kasi bibigit ako. Mami. Ano lang. Mami. Tired. It's been a long flight and then another 4 hours. About 4 hours as well in Singapore. I'm just so sleepy. We just need to find our gate and then
What kind of helmet?
ano yung isa. Papa, you didn't sleep. Ate slept for like, I don't know, 2 hours. And then Daddy slept for the whole trip. I did. Sa airport. Neil. You've been doing that since this morning. Oh, it's been a long time, right? It is 4:30 Adelaide time. So, around 2:30 Singapore time. Alright, Veronica, we just need to find our bag, our gate. Veronica, your bag please.
Let me look over.
Inaantok na. Lahat ako'y wala pa akong tulog. Guys, ang gaganda talaga dito ng mga halaman. Ano daw? Ang ganda ng halaman dito sa Singapore Airlines. Yung feeling mo na sobrang ano ka, healthy kasi yung nai-inhale na oxygen mo. Ano, super ganda kasi leafy vegetables. Dito kami sa Terminal 3. We need to go to Terminal 2. So mag-Skytrain kami. Ay, ang dami kong pagod. Mga 5 million. Yung immigration pala nila. Hindi naman kami lalabas guys. Ito lang kami sa airport.
I thought it was on your mask, right?
It Dito kami guys sa we're just waiting for the SkyTrain. Ano ba yan? Sobrang pagod na pagod ako. Hindi na ako makapagsalita. Or kayo na talaga ako magsalita. So, ayan. Dami. SkyTrain to Terminal 2. Nakita na namin yung boarding time namin. Tsaka boarding gate. Sana hindi na magpalit. Kasi last time nagpalit. Takbo kami ng takbo. Yeah, last time, guys. That was 5 years ago there. 5 years ago. Alright. It says 1 minute.
Is that the deal?
That's the deal.
Oh, so it's inside. We can't even see it. Oh my god. I feel like I'm surfing. I feel like I'm surfing hard here. Oh, don't be on me. It'd be so good if you could help me out. Oh, go away, Trent. See you. Okay.
Okay guys, nakita na namin yung fountain. Elijah did see it.
Elijah did not see it.
Dito na kami guys sa Terminal 2. Ito yung super ganda dito. Diba? It's so pretty. Let's go inside. You're right.
Hello guys.
Hello guys. We just ordered ramen. Are you hungry?
Guys, I'm really
And also, yeah, fish bowl. Oh, she loves it.
hungry.
Yeah, ang liit lang pala. It's just really small. You know how much is this one? $17. And you know, Singaporean dollars and Australian dollars is just similar. Kain tayo, guys. Can you get us please juice? Elijah watermelon.
Mango. Mango magic.
Mango magic.
We're just waiting to get our boost juice ordered. We just saw this. Look at these pretty little fish.
The big one.
Oh, there is a big one in there. Big coloured fish. That's just a little water fish pond. We can go down here.
That's a big one. There's not big one.
Yeah, it's cute.
Why?
Dito na kami, guys. Waiting for our boarding sa Terminal 2.
Hello guys.
Hello, guys. Oh, with a flying kiss. We didn't vlog.
Hi, Eunice.
We didn't vlog kung paano namin pinak yung gamit namin, guys. Kasi sobrang ang dami namin gamit. Naiinis nga ako kasi nag-message ako sa kapatid ko. Uy, sabi ko, I'm such a overpacker. Ang dami naming dala, kaya nag-work kami papuntang Japan. Kailangan namin mag-dispose ng maraming gamit. Kasi balak talaga namin mag-light packer sa sa Japan kasi mahihirapan kami like ngayon nandito lang kami sa Singapore. Ang hirap. Elijah, what are you doing? Sige, pindot saan? Anyway, we're waiting for our boarding and yeah, so yun, hindi explain ko lang kung bakit kami hindi nag-vlog kanina or kung paano kami paano hindi namin sinabing uwi kami ng Philippines. This is the reason why I can't vlog properly. Because this one and fighting each other. Anyway, the reason kung bakit kami uwi ng Philippines, guys, kasi magdidibo yung kapatid ko. She's turning 18 sa Sunday or Saturday. So yun. Yung reason kami kaya uwi ng Philippines. Ang daming tao. Sana hindi magpalit yung gate namin. Like, I remembered 5 years ago nung uwi kami ng Philippines, guys. Nagpalit sila ng gate. Takbo kami ng takbo na nila. Ay, sana hindi sila magpalit ng gate. Anyway, yun. 5 years na yung yung last time na uwi kami ng Philippines. So, yes. Dito na kami, guys. As usual, ang tagal makuha ng aming luggage. And hindi pa ako makakonect sa internet. Philippines. Kailangan ko makakonect sa internet. Hindi yung Veronica. Ito isa nagwawala na. Kasi nagugutom na daw siya. Anong oras na, guys? 12:30 na. 24 hours na akong gising. Nagising ako ng 12:30 kanina. Wala pa yung luggage namin. 4 yun. Hindi daw siya nag-hi. Say hi! Hi, guys! Tired. Do you wanna say hi? Alright, say hi then. Hi, guys. I'm tired. Are you tired? Wala pa din yung luggage namin na naiwan na siguro. Kahit isa. Ay, may nakuha na si Neil isa. Meron pang 3. Vlog, my beautiful sister.
Kita ako dyan.
Oo, kakita ka kaya.
Kaya pa dilim?
Oo, of course.
Hi.
Bibili na siya. Andito na kami, guys. Ayun. Sobrang ang daming pinagbago for 5 years. 5 years kami hindi nakauwi, diba? Ito ni pinakamatagal kong hindi nakauwi. 5 years.
That wasn't my fault.
In fairness, nagkasya kami gamit. Ang dami naming gamit.
I didn't do it.
Bibili kami ng Jollibee because someone is hungry. You hungry? Who's hungry?
That was not me.
What is it?
Jollibee.
It's Jollibee. Nag-order kami kayo sa Jollibee kahit alas 12:30 na ng madaling araw.
Jollibee.
What's it called?
Jollibee.
Jollibee. It's a Jollibee. Nag-order lang kami ni Neil ng ng what is it called? Mango float. Mango pie.
Kaso wala.
Peach mango pie. Ay, wala pala. Tomorrow na lang. Tomorrow.
10 minutes pa.
Yeah. Bye-bye. See ya. See ya, Erwin. Salamat. Thank you very much. Alright. Dito na kami, guys. We're just waiting for Kuya. I got the key. I didn't even read it. So we're gonna give him something. Kinuha ni Kuya yung susi. Nasa mailbox pala.